again, friends. Today I'm back with another vlog, but it is just a short one for my birthday. I am 4 years old today. This is my family coming home to get me after lunch. I'm so excited they're home. I'm so excited. Oh, I hid this tweet in there when they were gone. It's a peanut butter treat. It's so yummy.
Remi, come.
Okay. Here I come. What are we doing?
Remi, bed.
Okay. Here I am.
Good boy, Remi Lamb.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
It is my birthday. I think I'm very excited. I think I get a special tweet for my birthday. I am 4 years old today. And I get some cake. Can I eat it? Can I eat the cake? Oh, going to give me a piece of cake? Yummy cake. Nom nom nom, yummy cake. Thanks for watching my birthday video. I'll see you next time.